see if I can do this. Oh. You can do it. Keep eating. Somebody didn't mind it. You gotta swallow. You gotta swallow. Is it too thick? Didn't you eat it? Look at you with your mouth open. Are you hungry for some more? Don't eat like Daddy. Yes, he's a good boy. Who's my good boy eating his din-din? Who's my good boy eating his din-din? Yes, you are. Eat your pulpo. Don't eat your pulpo, though. No. Okay, I shouldn't have given you your pulpo. My bad. That was dumb of me. Look at you. You're acting like you like this. You like it? What about you, Chickadoodle? Oops. Did I drop it on you? Look at you smiling at your mama. Here, oops. Come on, open up. Oh. Okay, I guess Bubby wants more. Is that what the problem is, Bubby? Bless you. Just thought I'd show you a little of the magic.